guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. I am back with another My Muse product video. I think I've reviewed 3 of their products and I took a long break to try out and give you guys a review about this new product. It's actually not a new product, it's something that they've been having with them for a really long time. I reviewed a couple of their new products. In case you've not checked them out, I'll leave the links below. But this is one of their best sellers. Before we start, I'll just give you a little brief about My Muse. It's a self-love, self-care body massager brand, and they have a plethora of collection for everything love, self-care and couples. They have things like, dating cards, they have things like scratch cards, they have things like under the sheets cards, these games that you play, and then they have a range of body massages and lubricants and wax melt candles for your body massages. So there are a lot of things that you can go ahead and check out at My Muse, and I've made like an introductory video as well in case if you're a beginner or just trying to understand what exactly this place is. So I'll leave that video as well in the description below. Now with that brief introduction, let's move into the product that I'm going to talk about in today's video. So here I have is the My Muse Breeze. It's a personal massager that will blow you away quite literally, because it's got that blowing sort of a feel. Now I've reviewed their remote control massager, I have reviewed their basic massager, which is the Pulse, and I've also reviewed their another massager that you can actually insert or plug in sort of a massager. So these are the 3 massagers that I've tried, and I've also told you guys which is best for a beginner and which is best for someone who is sexually active or someone who is well versed or is married. So it's great for them, and someone who is just new to this or single. So I've already spoken and broken it down for you guys. This, by the way, is something that you can use as an individual, like if you're single or if you're in a relationship, either ways. Now coming to this packaging, it's the classic My Muse packaging, and I picked up the shade Lavender. They have amazing shade range options. If you're someone particular about shades, get the shade that you want. So you just need to slide it. Let's give you a proper unboxing. So let's get into the unboxing.
So this is the outer packaging. It's called Breeze, a personal massager that'll blow you away quite literally. At the back, you've got a little instruction manual. Once you pull it out, you've got the massager with a tagline, "Sucks so good." And like I said again, quite literally. Now it looks like one of those blackhead suction tools, which I'll address it in the further part of the video. Behind you've got this metallic strip for gripping. And then once you pull it out, you've got an instruction manual, which includes everything. So in case you are still confused, just go through this instruction manual. Along with this instruction manual, you also get the authenticity card, which is quite important. Then you get a suede pouch to store in your massager and a charging cable, which you can plug into any of your adapters. Now this massager gives you that suction feel, so it literally makes you feel that there's a person with you, like a touch and feel like that, which is great to use at any part of your body. It comes with 3 buttons, which is the long press one for the power on button, then you've got the plus and minus for the different kinds of vibration you need. You can also use it with the Glide lubricant in case you feel you need it. It's a water-based lubricant, and of course the other features of the product, like it's waterproof and all, I've already mentioned in the video. Now with this, you can easily store it into the pouch that it comes with, and of course there's multiple color options to choose.
So as you saw, you get all those items. Now coming to the actual review, I was quite impressed by this because first they've got this beautiful metallic grip, which I didn't find in any of their other products. I think it's more comfortable to hold on and it doesn't slip off, so that's great. So it comes with this really pretty metallic grip. And one thing that I've always spoken about My Muse massagers is the touch and feel. No matter how affordable or how expensive products that you buy when it comes to your personal care, something that you're externally using on your body, please look at the silicone grade quality. It's a product that you are using externally and internally in your body and at the sensitive parts, so please ensure you purchase something that's of high grade quality silicone, especially because 90% of these products are silicone made. The moment you touch these products, especially the My Muse ones, you will see the difference. Like, it's so soft, it's so comfortable. I absolutely love the quality of their products. I've spoken about their quality in every video because that's something where they stand out always. So please pick up products for your body which is of high quality, and this is for everything, whether it's choosing a period panty, whether it's choosing your own hygiene products, or choosing a body massager. Please choose a good quality one, because once you risk it, it's going to be a bit difficult for you. So yeah, I love the quality. I've already explained you guys the different buttons that it has. Very comfortable and easy to use, even easier for a beginner to use. The only difference between this and Pulse is the functionality of it. So this one is more for to give you more like a suction feel, something that would make you feel that there's something that's actually happening, or there's someone with you. Now if you have taken those massages for your feet, if you go to a salon and they give you those feet massages machine where you just put your feet in it and it starts it completely sucks and vacuumizes your feet and it starts massaging. I'll insert a picture over here of that leg massaging chair, which 90% of the salons have these days. This is exactly that for your body down there. It's so good. So first of all, I'll just show you how the suction works. I'll show it to you on water. I'll insert the same clip which MyMuse has on their website. The best part is that it doesn't really make a noise. Right now it's actually at the full intensity, and this is how much the noise is coming. Let me just completely silence myself. So it's so discreet even when it's operating, and it's got a subtle light when it's on, and you just have to press it and it's off. Now this is great for beginners come experienced people. If you are a beginner, I've already given you guys the Pulse review. Please get that product. But if you're someone who has already tried that product, and guys, there's no limit that you can only have one of the MyMuse massagers. You can always have more than one. So if you're a beginner come experienced, get this one, because it's going to give you a little different feel. To be honest, you know what, this works well. If you have neck pain as well, just use it on your neck and it works really well. Because of the soft suction that it has over here, it gives you like a soothing neck massage as well. So it's like a multi massager that you can use, not only down there but also on the body. So great way to use that as well. The best part is the grip that it comes off to, because this is not something that you can hold from the tip like the Pulse. This is something you'll have to hold like this, because then only it'll give you the proper vacuum suction happening. And there are different ways, you can use it anywhere on your body. Even if you have pain and you want to use it to, kind of soothe the pain. Like I told you, if you have back pain or if you have like a neck pain, you can use it because it works for that as well. So it's like a multi-purpose product. The question that I get a lot is which is the best massager? Because there are few massagers that I recommend for beginners, few for people who are experienced, or few for couples as well, the controlled massagers. And if you're still confused, if you still find it a little bit more confusing from my recommendations, there is a dedicated Find My Massager page on MyMuse. You just have to fill it out and they'll help you with that. But if you want some extra off, you can use my code Himani on MyMuse website and you can get an extra discount on top of your existing discount. So yeah, you get an extra 10% off on no matter what your order is. Now this massager, I would rate it 9 out of 10 because I can multi-purpose it even when I have my body in pain and just use it to soothe. So it's quite discreet, and to be honest, I find it pretty cute compared to the other massagers because it looks like, those blackhead suctioning tools. It doesn't look like a body massager like the Pulse one. Pulse is pretty evident, but this one looks like a blackhead suctioning tool, which pretty much is a suctioning tool, by the way. So I would rate it 9 out of 10. It's a really good massager. The reason why I'm rating it 9 out of 10 is because I've tried the Link and I forgot the other massager name. It's a very small, pretty massager. I'll leave the review video of that down. Those are pretty intense and good, but this is great for beginners and something different if you want to explore. And by the way, guys, this is not something that only a single person can use. If you are a couple, you can still get this, and they have like a bundle kit also that you can get it for couples, so you can try that one out as well. So this was the review of the massager called Breeze. I will leave the link below in case you want to check it out. So guys, that was my review of the MyMuse. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.